Hey you guys, welcome back to my freaking channel. It's Kaylia. I haven't been here in so long. Don't be mad at me. You see the room and everything still not decorated. I mean, life has just been lifing, okay? I'm so happy to be back in front of a freaking camera because this is my passion, and no matter what was going on in my life, I have to realize that this is my passion. Like this is what I like to do. This is what keeps me going. So I cannot continue to neglect it because I'm sad or things are going on. Like everybody has things going on. We got to keep pushing. So today the video is supposed to be me waking up every day of the week at 7 o'clock because I woke up today and I realized I does not have a routine. I watched some YouTubers, I'll insert her username, and something that really stuck with me that she said was that she wakes up every day excited to do her morning routine, and I just simply cannot relate. So I wanted to change that. I want to give myself a morning routine. I want to stay consistent with it. I want to stay consistent with myself. So currently I am in summer school and I have 8 o'clock classes, and you know what I do for them 8 o'clock classes, girl. I wake up at 7:50 and go to my class. Hungry, tired. I'll show y'all what the room looks like at the moment. There's my mirror, but all this stuff on the floor. I have a few things to show you guys. There's boxes on the floor over there. My bed's a mess. That's fine because I'm about to go to sleep, but yeah, so my dad got me an Apple Watch. She's super cute. I haven't even opened her yet. Right back with y'all when I'm ready to start recording and doing the montage of me cleaning and stuff. We back. So I put everything that I've recently purchased on my little desk right here so I can get it out the way before it's time to study. So today I went to this liquidation store and I got this calendar. If you know me, you know I had one of these in my last room. If you don't know, then I'll insert the video right here of where I had these. So the next thing that I got from that same store is a black bag, because the liquidation store, I'll explain it to y'all another day because I'll be back at that store. I got this book. I took French for 4 years, but it's nice to know that I have like a vocabulary book, a French vocab book in my possession, so that was nice. I then got me some LED lights. LED. I'll set these up another day, y'all. And then I got me some precision pens. The last thing that I got today was this Coffee Self-Talk 5 Minutes a Day to Start Living Your Magical Life book. This is something that I'm going to be reading every morning. The next place that I went to was just Walmart. And when I go to Walmart, I can never spend less than $40. And that bothers me, y'all. The first thing that I got from Walmart was a 5-year question a day memory journal. So every day I'm going to be answering one thing. For March 8th, it had, what recent accomplishment are you most proud of? And so every day you just write something out. I'm going to do this as a ritual for the end of my day. And yes, I want to just add some more routinistic things. Like when I tell people my life is not coordinated, they're like, oh my gosh, you go to school every day, you go to work, da, da, da. That's what I mean. Like work is sporadic for me. I don't have a schedule. And then school is just like I go there and I'm going through the motions, and I don't like that. So yeah. But the next thing that I have is a queen size bed sheet. A girl doesn't have a bed sheet. I haven't had a bed sheet since I moved in, and that's really crazy. I've been using like the thing that goes on top of the bed sheet. You know what I'm talking about. Bed skirt or something. Not the skirt, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Put that on my bed. This is the type of deodorant I use. I have some hangers because the girl needed some hangers. And then last but not least, my favorite scent of candle. If you ever want to get me a gift, this is what you get me, okay? You know what? I think I'm gonna go downstairs and make myself some noodles. I am hungry.
Take you there, take you, show you something, give you more than words. With you, heaven is a place where take you there, take you there, take you there.
Now for the setup of the Apple Watch. I'm gonna wear this to school tomorrow. Don't play. Silver aluminum sport band. They gave me a white sport band. Fun fact about me, I've never received a brand new paid off Apple product. Super excited. It says designed by Apple in California. Should I point my camera down? Don't people like these unboxing stuff to see what's in it?
Take you there, I'll take you, show you something, give you more than words. With you, heaven is a place where I take you there.
I'm gonna let it charge for the night over there. I'm gonna try to get at least one quiz out of the way right now because I didn't realize how late it was before I had my epiphany and decided that I'm going to change my entire life. So use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch.
For you, I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Saying no,
I think I'm currently doing amazing on time. 7:18. That is good. I think by then the nasty toothpaste taste will get out of my mouth. I hope y'all know what I'm talking about. If you don't, then you just don't. Hey you guys. I guess I could do a little quick chit chat, get ready with me. So yesterday night you saw everything that I did. I never got to do any of my schoolwork because I had my little epiphany late at night. I didn't realize that it was that late. But it's okay. It's okay. Rubbing it with this Noxzema stuff is my face routine. Then right after this, I put on Palmer's lotion, my dark spots. So now I'm about to do my edges. I forgot to tell you guys also that I did get a new phone. Y'all know that I've been having an iPhone 8 for how long? Too damn long. Got the iPhone 12 Pro. I feel like by the end of the summer I will have the 13 Pro. Because that's the goal. And mind your business, because it's my money, not yours. So it's giving hair down like this. We're going for tomboy today, clearly. I could plan my day. I can plan my day while we're sitting here. I want to go clean my car. And since I'm in clothing that I can't complain about heating, there is absolutely no excuse as to why I can't clean my car. So we have to get that done. The car needs to get cleaned. I'm gonna get me some earrings. Hopefully I can find like a bracelet or something. I want to have some signature jewelry, y'all. I want to reinvent myself for the summer. I don't want to look the same way I did when the year started. So it's 7:30. I'm gonna go get me some breakfast. This watch band is too small, so I'm gonna change it. Did it. Now I'm gonna hurry up because I feel like I'm low on time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, but basically.
So now I'll head back to y'all in the car. So I'm gonna put everything in my purse.
Tearing up my voice, left in silence. There's no room in
Do you not give consent?
What is it for? Why is it?
Oh, it's ours. Turn it off. From
Rose, you put it on the side.
I need to need you so bad. What is it?
Because I would have broke on the tier thing.
Alright, since the class is over now and I've already made the grade that I made, I freaking hate microbiology. to all my pre-nursing students, I just hate this class. Everything was so, it wasn't pointless, but I don't know, I just feel like I was going through the motions every day and like learning stuff that applied, but it was just annoying. It was getting repetitive. It was just annoying. I hate this class so much. This is the one class that made me think like, am I really gonna go into nursing? Because am I gonna pass this hoe? And I am an average student at the moment, a little bit below average at the moment. Like, I need to do better. So the next class I'm doing, I will record with y'all. I'm doing it strictly online, and I'm going to show you guys the class, and I'm going to make an A, because there's no reason why I shouldn't make an A. The area and space that I'm in is so perfect right now. I have finally moved, and I feel like I should be talking to y'all right now because, I talked throughout this entire video. But yes, basically what I was going to say is microbiology sucks ass. And though I did get a 100 on this assignment, I hate it. I hate it. Bye.
3 hours later.
Look.
It's been 6 years, guys.
It's been 6 years in the making.
Still wet? Ooh, my piercings look so good on camera. Yikes. I'm talking about eternity.